Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss here problem number 3 based on power of complex number. Now let me start. So the problem is given here. So we have to prove that 1 plus sine alpha plus I cos alpha divided by 1 plus sine alpha minus I cos alpha. This complex number bracket power n can be written as cos of n pi by 2 minus n alpha plus I sin n pi by 2 minus alpha. That is given example. We have to prove the LHS and that is equal to RHS. So let's see, in this problem we have to given a complex number in the form of Euler's formula, means sin theta plus I cos theta. In denominator also sin theta minus I cos theta, and we have to write, or we have to convert it into the RHS. This is nothing but it is a cos n pi divided by 2 minus n alpha plus sine of n pi divided by 2 minus n alpha. So guys, angle is the same here, angle is the same, so nothing is a changes, angle is the same, but you have to evaluate, you have to first take LHS and you show what is a RHS is, guys, what is a RHS. Now let me start what is LHS, let me start what is a LHS. Okay, so let solution. Okay, so LHS is given as, I am writing LHS, so that is equal to, this is what, this is a 1 plus, this is a sine alpha plus I cos alpha divided by 1 plus sine alpha minus I cos alpha bracket power n. I am taking here bracket power n. So let me start how to write this. You know very well, if you have to write this 1 plus sine alpha converted into what? Cos, converted into angle cos. So this can be written as, this is a 1 plus sine is converted to cos, it will get cos of pi by 2 minus alpha bracket complete here plus I into cos again converted into sine, so that is a sine of pi by 2 minus alpha is there, and total divided by again denominator is converted into again sine into cos, so that will be cos of pi by 2 minus alpha plus I cos is again converted into sine of pi by 2 minus alpha, and total bracket power, what is that here? N is there, guys, you have to give one. Now let me write again, we have to use the formula for that. Okay, since what the formula you have to use here, since cos is converted into sine, so that will get sine of pi by 2 minus theta, and sine is converted into cos, it will also write now in this way, this is a cos of pi by 2 minus theta, we have to use here very simply. Okay, also we have to use here in the next step. What can I do? In the next step, we have to use the formula for half angle is there. Okay, so trigonometric formula for half angle, the above step can be written as, this is nothing but this is equal to, this is a 1 plus, means 1 plus cos pi by 2 minus alpha, this can be written as a 2 cos square theta by 2, means what is that here, 2 cos square that angle divided by 2, means angle is what is that, guys, pi divided by 2, it will convert it into pi by 4. Okay, so this is nothing but this is a pi by 4 minus alpha divided by 2. Okay, plus this I sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, means again I am writing here, this is a 2I, this is a sine of theta by 2, means here pi by 4, pi by 2 is already there, divided by 2, that is pi by 4 minus alpha by 4, cos alpha by 4. Okay, so into, that is again cos alpha by 4 minus alpha by 2 is there. Okay, and divided by what is that here, in denominator we do same processes here, so this will becomes a 2 cos square, that is pi divided by 4 minus alpha by 2 minus, that will get again 2I, this is a sine of pi divided by 4 minus alpha divided by 2 into cos of pi by 4 minus alpha divided by 2 is there, guys, and the bracket whole power, what is that here, guys, bracket raised to n. Since we have used here which formula is there, again we have to use here sine theta. Sine theta is nothing but 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2, and 1 plus cos theta can be written as 2 cos square theta by 2. So these are the half angle formula we have to use here. Okay, after taking some common term is here, so which is a common term is there, so 2 is a common in two terms. Also the angle cos of pi by 4 minus alpha divided by 2 is a common in numerator as well as in denominator, guys. Okay, in numerator as well as denominator we have to also take cos of, that is a pi by 4 minus alpha divided by 2, this is common term. And now in a bracket what is the remaining in this bracket, guys? Okay, so there is a remaining cos of pi by 4 minus alpha divided by 2 plus 2 is already common is there into 2 is common is there into sine of pi divided by 4 into alpha divided by 2. That bracket is complete. And in denominator also remaining this term as a pi by 4 minus alpha divided by 2 minus 2 is already common, so that will becomes, this is I into, this is I into sine of here again pi divided by 4 minus alpha divided by 2 is there, and this bracket complete, and total bracket power is remaining is what is that here, n power is there. Okay, so in this bracket the cancellation term is very easy, so which is a common term is cancelled here, so this term and this term is cancelled here. So what is remaining in I see in the next page, so what is the remaining, guys? So LHS equal to, so therefore LHS equal to, so remaining is very simple. So this is a cos of pi by 4 minus alpha by 2, that is a cos of pi by 4 minus alpha divided by 2 plus I into sine of pi by 4 minus alpha divided by 2 is there, guys, and divided by again this can be written as, this is a cos of pi by 4 minus alpha divided by 2 minus I into sine of pi by 4 minus alpha divided by 2, guys, and this bracket power, what is the power is n. That is very easy. Okay, so next, this numerator term can be written as in Euler's formula, so therefore this can be written as, it is e to the power I into the term as pi divided by 4 minus alpha divided by 2 divided by, this is again e to the power I into pi by 4 minus alpha divided by 2 is there, guys, and this total bracket power is remaining, what is that, n is there. Okay, so this step can be written as, you know very well, we have to use here Euler's formula. We have to use here Euler's formula. Okay, since I'm using here Euler's formula, guys. Okay, so what is Euler's formula? So it is very easy. Okay, e to the power plus or minus I theta can be written as, this is a cos of theta plus I sine of theta. Okay, now by indices property, you know very well also, so this can be written as, what is the next step is here, guys? So this can be written as, this is e to the power I into, that is a pi divided by 4 minus alpha divided by 2 into, this is a minus is there, guys, because of that this is a cos of theta minus I sin theta term like this, so that's why this is a minus is there, guys. Okay, so therefore into e to the power minus of I into pi by 4 minus alpha divided by 2, and if we shifted this denominator into numerator it will becomes plus. Okay, so by indices property we have to also write here e to the power, you have to also write here e to the power I is a common is there, and addition of these two angle, this will becomes, that is a 2 times I, and the bracket is pi by 4 minus alpha divided by 2. Okay, you have to write this here once again, you have to write this here once again. So this is e to the power I into 2 we multiplied in this, so you have to getting here pi divided by 2 minus alpha is there, and this total bracket power, what is that, n is there, guys. Total bracket power, what is that, n. Okay, this total bracket power, what is that here, n is, guys. Okay, now this can be written as, now this can be written as, therefore LHS is equal to, this is e to the power I into that is n pi divided by 2 minus 2 alpha guys, minus 2 alpha means here n alpha guys, because by using indices property n is there, multiplication is there. Okay, so therefore this can be written as again Euler's formula, therefore LHS is equal to, this can be written as, this is a cos of, yes, that is n pi divided by 2 minus n alpha plus, plus is there sign means e to the power plus I, that's why I into sine of, here again n pi divided by 2 minus n alpha. Okay, and if we observe the LHS is what, and what is the RHS? So see, this is RHS guys, see this is RHS, so this is RHS. Okay, and you have to confirm it here, so is it RHS getting LHS? So therefore we have to getting here RHS guys. Okay, so therefore LHS is equal to RHS, we proved here, hence the proof, hence the proof guys. Okay, so this is all about this question. I hope you understand and very enjoy of the problem number 2, that is a problem on powers of complex number guys. Clear up to this? Thank you.